Did it.
Hello. That was only 10 seconds.
No, that's not fun.
Alright, quick, get on that. I can hear people.
Filming?
Yeah. Kills himself. For the camera. For the views.
Oh.
Sunbathing on a wet day.
Ah.
If you don't know, it's wet as choice. They went fucking miles away. Ah! Slid. I've got a blue light. As you can see, there is a wild Snorlax.
Oh.
Right on the goggers.
Fuck you.
Oh, the light's flying.
I broke it.
No! We have to. Someone's about to commit suicide. Sick. Right, let's go. Oh no, he's gonna die. Oh no. Right up his bum. Now he's going to die. Riding into hell's gates. He just hit a slide. Not a slide, a wheel. Not a wheel, a swing.
You the bridge, didn't you?
Yeah, I'm about to commit suicide. Sick. Alright, let's go. Oh no, he's gonna die. Oh no. Right up his bum.
Ow. It didn't go well as I wanted it to, but...
Hello. Yeah, that was like the only time he did though. Just recording!
Recording the helicopter!
What is it doing though?
I don't know, but it looks fine.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt